Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of best modern TV cabinet design ideas and 10 stunning TV cabinet designs for a perfect home entertainment setup. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In this video, we will explore the captivating realm of TV cabinet design. A TV cabinet serves as a functional and stylish addition to any living space, elevating the overall aesthetics of your home entertainment setup. Join us as we discuss how to make a TV cabinet look good, explore the best materials, and reveal the ideal dimensions for a flawless design. Creating a visually pleasing TV cabinet. To make a TV cabinet look good, it is essential to strike a balance between functionality and aesthetics. Consider the following tips. 1. Conceal the wires. To maintain a clean and organized look, conceal the wires behind the cabinet or use cable management solutions. 2. Minimalistic design. Embrace a minimalist approach by opting for sleek lines, understated colors, and clutter-free surfaces. 3. Lighting. Integrate subtle lighting solutions to add ambience and highlight key design elements of your TV cabinet. Choosing the best material for your TV cabinet. When it comes to selecting the material for your TV cabinet, durability and visual appeal are crucial factors. Consider these options. 1. Wood. Classic and timeless, wooden TV cabinets offer warmth and a wide range of finishes to suit various decor styles. 2. Glass. Sleek and modern, glass cabinets add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space. They work exceptionally well in contemporary settings. 3. Metal. For an industrial or modern look, metal cabinets provide a unique and edgy aesthetic. They are sturdy and can be combined with other materials for a striking design. Minimum depth for a TV cabinet. The minimum depth of a TV cabinet should be determined by the size of your television and the space it requires. A general guideline is to allow at least 14 to 20 inches, 35 to 50 centimeters, for comfortable placement and ventilation. Ideal height for a TV cabinet. The height of your TV cabinet should be optimized for comfortable viewing. The center of the TV screen should align with the eye level of seated viewers. A height range of 24 to 42 inches, 60 to 106 centimeters, is commonly recommended. Now, let's explore the top 10 inspiring TV cabinet design ideas that will captivate your imagination. 1. Scandinavian simplicity. Embrace clean lines, light-colored wood, and minimalistic detailing for a Scandinavian-inspired TV cabinet. 2. Floating elegance. Opt for a floating TV cabinet mounted on the wall to create an illusion of space and enhance a modern aesthetic. 3. Rustic charm. Incorporate reclaimed wood and vintage accents to infuse rustic charm into your TV cabinet design. 4. Sleek modernity. Choose a glossy, high-gloss finish with sleek surfaces and metallic accents for a contemporary and futuristic appeal. 5. Hidden storage. Maximize functionality by incorporating hidden compartments and storage solutions within your TV cabinet. 6. Artistic focal point. Showcase your TV in a bold, artistic design that becomes a focal point of the room. Consider unique shapes and unconventional materials. 7. Industrial fusion. Combine metal and wood elements with exposed hardware to create an industrial-inspired TV cabinet that exudes character. 8. Nature's touch. Integrate natural elements such as stone or live-edge wood for an organic and earth. 9. Coastal retreat. Capture the serene and relaxed atmosphere of coastal living with a TV cabinet featuring light tones, coastal-inspired textures, and beachy accents. 10. Traditional elegance. For a timeless and sophisticated look, opt for a TV cabinet with intricate detailing, rich finishes, and ornate hardware that complements the overall decor of your home. Designing a TV cabinet that not only enhances your home decor, but also provides a functional and visually pleasing entertainment setup is an exciting endeavor. By considering factors such as wire management, materials, dimensions, and incorporating one of the 10 design ideas we've discussed, you can create a stunning centerpiece for your living space. Remember, a TV cabinet should not only serve as a practical solution for housing your television, but also as an expression of your personal style. Whether you prefer a minimalist, rustic, or contemporary design, let your creativity guide you in creating a TV cabinet that elevates your home's ambience and brings joy to your entertainment experiences. So, embark on this design journey with confidence, and transform your TV viewing area into a captivating and harmonious space that reflects your unique taste and style. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern TV cabinet design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you, and see you on the next videos.